Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. My name is Aditi and in today's video we're going to talk about 5 topics. Starting with hottest bathroom trends, then bathroom ideas, followed by bathroom color ideas. We will then talk about bathtub trends and finally we will end this video by discussing bathroom remodel ideas. So let's get started.
Innovative interior design is shaping exciting bathroom trends. We are talking about fresh ideas, impressive designs, and eco-friendly upgrades that are revolutionizing how we view our bathrooms. If you want to revamp your personal space, bathroom ideas are blazing new trails in aesthetics, sustainability, and technology. This year, the bathroom is more than just a practical space. It's evolving into a haven of comfort and eco-conscious design. Sustainability is the buzzword in bathroom designs, manifesting most prominently in smart water-saving fixtures. Not only do these touchless faucets and intelligent showers conserve valuable resources, but they also bring a modern, tech-savvy edge to a bathroom. Stepping up from previous bathroom trends, this year you'll see options that allow you to customize water temperature, flow, and even timing, offering both luxury and eco-friendliness in one package. Comfort and style dominate bathtub trends. Relaxation and rejuvenation have never felt nor looked so good. With stunning designs, creating a spa-like experience right at home is oh so easy. Whether it's a freestanding tub with smart temperature control or a built-in soaking tub surrounded by mood lighting, bathtubs set the base for the ultimate sanctuary. Natural materials are becoming an integral part of bathroom design. Organic textures like wood, stone, and even live plants flood in to create a sumptuous and grounding sanctuary. These materials boost visual interest as well as introduce a tactile richness. This combo makes the design experience more sensory and fulfilling. Many bathroom makeovers don these materials to showcase their soothing effect. While minimalism is ever trending, vibrant colors and detailed motifs are making a significant comeback. Blending old-world charm with modern sensibility is gaining popularity. Think bold, vintage color palettes to intricate tile patterns. It also aligns with the greater interior trends that favor authenticity and personalization.
Bathroom ideas are shaping into a fascinating blend of technological, innovation, aesthetical, and sustainability appeal.
These trends offer a fresh look at how we conceptualize this intimate space. Whether you're looking to remodel or simply update your decor, the dynamic landscape of trending bathroom styles provide endless inspiration for the years to come. Among the most captivating bathroom remodel ideas is the harmonious blend of sleek modernity and rustic charm. Envision a space where cutting-edge vanities are offset by reclaimed wood or contemporary mirrors meet vintage light fixtures. This hybrid aesthetic is a rising star of bathroom trends, establishing a current yet timeless look. The contrast of refined materials with rugged aspects is certainly captivating. Plus, it can simplify remodeling because you won't need much to make the change. Going green isn't just for other rooms in the house. It's one of the top bathroom ideas. Transform your bathroom into a living oasis with features like potted plants, hanging gardens, or even an indoor vertical forest. Loads of greenery not only freshen the air but also layer in a calming ambience. Just like other bathroom trends, lighting is emerging as more than a functional element. It's a mood setter. The year will bring innovative light designs ranging from customizable mood lighting to ornate chandeliers. Now, lighting is transformative, designed to adapt the atmosphere to your emotional needs. Tiles are breaking out of their purely functional role, cementing their spot as artistic bathroom decor ideas. Be it an elaborately patterned backsplash or a statement floor, creative tile define the visual impact of a bathroom. Artistic tiles can also be subtle, incorporate unique bathroom tile trends that suit your color scheme. These don't need to be bright or colorful to make a memorable design statement.
This year's palette aims to elicit a range of emotions, transforming not just the look but also the feel of the space.
Bathroom colors demand attention, bringing bold and subdued tones into the personal sanctuary. Color is becoming a focal point for innovation and aesthetic refinement. Earthy tones are making a subtle splash in bathroom colors. Indulge in rich browns, burnt orange or muted greens to mimic nature's serenity. Next to organic materials like wood and stone, these hues can transform a bathroom into an oasis of calm. You can also include earthy tones in a high contemporary design. It will ground the design and make statement modern features stand out even more. With the upcoming bathroom colors, wallpaper is getting more sophisticated. No longer confined to living rooms or bedrooms, new wallpaper designs bring intricate designs and color to the bathroom. These serve as miniature artworks, adding a dash of luxury and personality to your bathroom. Forget the conventional chrome fixtures. Metallics are evolving into accent elements beyond faucets and handles. Think brush towel racks or shimmery light fixtures that add a touch of glamour without overwhelming the space. When used sparingly, these metallic accents can elevate the whole experience. If you like shimmer, consider including glossy accents like metallic silver wall paint or unique bathroom tiles. Bathroom-friendly wallpaper is also a great option you can easily change up. In a fascinating twist, vintage elements meet contemporary flair in blue. Set against wood and vintage elements, navy can have a rejuvenating effect. The bold tone and old meets new blend create a bathroom design that feels both familiar and fresh.
This year's bathtub trends transcend the plain and expected.
A desire for luxurious functionality drives trending designs, merging cutting-edge technologies with beloved designs. From freestanding tubs with smart controls to built-in varieties that incorporate hydrotherapy features, this year promises to elevate the humble bathroom into a one-stop for rejuvenation. One of the bathroom trends is shining a spotlight on is the transformation of your bathtub into a personal spa. Features like hydrotherapy jets, aromatherapy dispensers, and smart temperature control are becoming standard amenities, so you can tailor your bathing experience to your exact needs. With these upgrades, a bathtub evolves from a simple place for a quick soak to a full-fledged wellness center, offering therapeutic benefits right at home. Diversifying tub materials is one of the hottest bathroom ideas. Gone are the days when acrylic and porcelain dominated the scene. Instead, materials like stone, resin, copper, and even wood are entering the limelight. These alternatives offer a unique visual appeal and provide varied textile experiences, making your bathtub time more engaging and lavish. Freestanding tubs enjoy a renaissance moment, combining form and function in eye-catching designs. These bathtubs serve as magnificent focal points that elevate the aesthetic ambience of the entire bathroom. Their versatile nature makes them suitable for various bathroom layouts. Plus, the airy feel contributes to a sense of spaciousness, making them a popular choice for years to come. One of the most clever bathtub ideas revolves around maximizing utility by incorporating built-in storage into bathtub designs. Picture built-in shelves or nooks where you can conveniently store bath products, towels, or even your favorite book. You can also opt for shelving incorporated into your shower divider. These storage solutions are practical and create a clutter-free environment. They'll make your bathroom feel more organized and peaceful.
Refreshing bathroom remodel ideas bring fresh possibilities that rejuvenates your space.
This year's trends emphasize a shift towards creating a personalized sanctuary. From smart fixtures to eclectic tile designs, the focus is on combining aesthetics with functionality. Finally, designing bathrooms that are beautiful and efficient is easier than ever. Small bathroom trends are all about clever utilization of floor space without compromising style. Think wall-mounted sinks, floating vanities, and multifunctional furniture that create an illusion of spaciousness while providing practical utility. These solutions maximize every square inch, turning even the tiniest bathrooms into a trendy and functional oasis. The focus lies on finishes, paint color, decor, and fixtures. You can pack a design punch regardless of your floor size. Master bathroom trends are leaping into the future by integrating high-end technology. Imagine walking into your bathroom and commanding your smart mirror to show the news or controlling the ambience with voice-activated mood lighting. Technological enhancements like these elevate the master bathroom to a futuristic and convenient home spa. Whether you have a small or large bathroom, vintage elements resurface in the coming years, blending seamlessly with modern amenities for a timeless look. From Victorian bathtubs to pedestal sinks, these classic pieces add a touch of nostalgia while keeping pace with contemporary needs. These favorites get a new take through innovative materials and integrated tech. Mindfulness and well-being are not only sizzling topics but also influence bathroom designs across the board. Tranquil water features, Zen-inspired decor, and soft ambient lighting are coming together to create spaces that serve bodily needs while nourishing the mind. Bathrooms are evolving into holistic areas that cater to physical and emotional well-being.
This is it for this video. If you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.